Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, device with the Android 14, and now I'm going to show you how to improve battery life on the Android 14. To do it, we have several instruments. So, firstly, of course, if you have Android 14 device with the OLED screen, so it means that we have the screen created from the 1000 micro LED lamps, and LED lamp can't create the black color. So if you have the black color on your LED screen, it means that your screen is disabled in these places. So micro lamps are disabled here. It means that if we will enable the dark theme in the black places, if we have black places, our lamps are just disabled. But in the dark places, like here, for example, our screen is draining battery less because if we have dimmer screen, it means that in these places screen is not consuming a lot of battery power. Okay, great. Of course, the second way to improve battery life is to make your screen dimmer. Great. So, but I will not do it right now because you will see like my screen is blinking and it will not too good on the video. Okay, great. Now then scroll down, and here if you have the display with a fast refresh rate, so if you have the display with 90 Hz or 120 Hz, so somewhere here you will have the screen refresh rate. I suggest you set it up to 60 Hz. It's a normal refresh rate, and 60 Hz is not consuming a lot of battery power. Great. Open the settings, scroll down, and find here battery. Oh, it's here. And of course, here we need to here you will have the adaptive charging, adaptive preferences. So every Android 14 device has this setting, so I suggest you enable adaptive charging. Then of course here we have battery saver mode, and sometimes it's a good idea to enable the standard battery saver and then enable battery saver mode. But sometimes it's good to enable extreme battery saver. Extreme battery saver is a new feature for Android 14 devices. And here we have the feature that we have the opportunity to disable. So in this extreme battery saver mode, applications are removed from the RAM, from the temporary storage. But we all know that temporary storage is consuming a lot of battery power. So here we can add applications that will work in the background. Of course, feedback is camera, clock, Play Store, Google device, so messages, personal safety, phone, and settings. All of these applications will work in the RAM always, but you can add your applications. I suggest you add your messengers, for example, I don't know, WhatsApp, Telegram, Signal, and others, because if you will enable this mode and these apps will not add to the essential apps, so you will not get the messages from these applications. And then enable use battery saver mode. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.